Hi everyone. Opera Browser is popular for its speed, built-in features, and smooth performance. But like any software, it can sometimes slow down or lag. We might see pages loading slowly, tabs not responding, freezing, or high CPU and memory use. Lag is annoying, especially when we depend on Opera for work, school, or daily browsing. These problems can happen because of too many open tabs, an outdated browser, heavy or broken extensions, a full cache, or hardware limits. Knowing how to find and fix Opera lag can help us get back its speed and efficiency. This guide shows simple and practical ways to fix Opera when it lags. Instead of reinstalling, we focus on finding common problems and using targeted fixes, like clearing the cache, turning off extra extensions, updating Opera, changing hardware acceleration, and managing background tabs. By following these steps, we can boost performance, use less memory, and stop slowdowns from happening again. This way, Opera works well without losing our data or settings. Now, let's see how we can fix Opera lag. First, we check the version. To do this, click the Opera Mini logo in the top left, then Help, and then About Opera. Here, we check for updates, and Opera will update itself if needed. Next, let's manage our extensions. Let's go to Extensions. You can find this in the top left or right of your browser, or go to Settings. Here, we go to Extensions and Extension Settings. Now, we remove any unwanted extensions or ones we don't use. This helps Opera run better, since too many running extensions can slow it down. Next, we need to clear our cache. To clear the cache, go to Settings. Again, click the Opera Mini logo in the top left, then go to Settings. Once in Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, click Delete Browsing Data. Click this and delete cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Make sure to delete this data from all time to free up space and memory so Opera works smoother. Next, let's check our antivirus. To do this, click here. In Windows Security, we check if security is blocking Opera or if there is any malware. We can scan for viruses or use browser control. After that, we should also check our firewall and network protection. This matters because it can block network connections and stop Opera from working well. Now, let's check the internet connection. We go to the modem or router and reset it, or restore to default settings. After restarting or resetting, we reconnect. Once connected again, we should see a better internet connection. When we use these fixes, Opera should feel faster, more responsive, and more stable. Doing regular maintenance, like clearing unused extensions, updating Opera, and managing tabs, helps stop lag from coming back. Keeping the system clean and the browser tidy is important for long-term performance. With these solutions, we can enjoy a smoother, more efficient browsing experience in Opera without interruptions or slowdowns.